Easy Doge, ladies and gentlemen. I introduced this DOGEcoin faucet some days ago, and it looks like I've hit the withdrawal threshold, which is just 5 Doge. I currently have 7.2, so I want us to try and see if we are just wasting our time or if the platform is actually paying. And by the way, if you have not watched the video I made on how to use the platform and different ways to earn, I'll leave the link to that video so you go check it out. So in summary, you roll here, you roll the faucet after every 1 hour, and you earn some random amount depending on your level. And then you can also complete surveys, you can complete short links, you can also earn through referrals, right? So they have other platforms as well. They have other sites where you earn other coins. I'll be leaving the some of those links together with this one so you can check them out as well. So without any further ado, let's click on the menu here. Let's scroll down to wallet. I haven't made any withdrawal just yet, but I've withdrawn from other platforms that is run by this same team. I've withdrawn from Easylite, one of their faucets for earning free LTC. I click on withdraw here. Minimum withdrawal amount is 5 Doge, right? So I just tap on this amount here, max. Everything has been imputed. There's going to be no fees, so I'll get a DOGEcoin address from an exchange or a wallet. So I'm on Bybit. I click on deposit. Click on deposit crypto. Enter a search for Doge. Select it as the chain type, the network. Copy the address. So I bring it over, paste it here. Now click on withdraw Doge. It says withdrawal request is being processed. As you can see here in my history, transaction history, it shows pending. The address is there. So as soon as I receive this payment, this status will now change from pending to completed, right? I will not hesitate to share with you guys a payment proof. For now, this is Easylite. There are other faucets like I mentioned earlier. So let's click on wallet here. You can see my withdrawal history, right? All showing completed. These are the different withdrawals I've made from this particular one, and I've received them. So I'm very positive that the one on the Doge site will also be received as well. Until then, do have a wonderful day, and I will not hesitate to share with you a payment proof as soon as it comes. Thanks, and do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.